So like that's why I'm saying if this 15-minute gets closed below, I look for these equal lows, which you can actually kind of see there's actually better equal lows here too. Kind of triple. So lots of liquidity down there. Are we not too low to short? Are you kidding me? We're at all-time highs right now. Yeah, I know. I am Travis. Damn us, that's just unlucky. Yeah, probably done. But once we close below us, we should just instantly dump. So I'll probably try like a late short and eval. I mean, this is pretty high confident to me, so pretty big death candle here. You got equal lows below. We should go hit them. I mean, these look very smooth, so still a lot of weight, honestly. So there's a 15-minute close below. Dude, it feels like open should be like now. I don't know why. There's a little tiny gap here I want to see broken, but the reason I'm drawing is because it was kind of respected once before. Ugh. And M and Q, they're perfectly equal, but it doesn't really matter. We don't have. I don't think we have any more news today. Let me check. Let me check. Yeah, so we have no more news today. F1's B speaker later, but I don't think that's gonna matter much. No, there's no red fold in the afternoon, unless if you see red fold in the afternoon, you're probably on some forex pair or something. It's also a 5-minute fair value gap. Look at this. Again, usually I don't draw these tiny ass fair value gaps to the left, but like, I mean, this is respected once a 4. There's an OB right beneath it, so I will draw it. Bitcoin's pretty just choppy. We just expanded so much on Bitcoin. We're like, I don't know, pretty choppy. We are in a very nice fair value gap here. If we got like a lower time frame long here, I think that'd be a very good long setup. So like if this is like if this somehow turns into a 5-minute inversion and then we kind of soup this, I think that would be beautiful. I mean, this is just like such a nice zone, I feel like. Nice zone. It's a discount. You know? Wow, perfect equal highs above. Look at this. Perfect equalize above too. So yeah, if we got like a lower time frame long setup there, I feel like it'd be good. Yeah, so yeah, at the Fed's cut rates, theoretically people put their the should go up. Because they'll be like, oh, I'm not gonna put my money in a bank account. They're cutting ranks. I'm gonna put in the stock market. Does that make sense? Okay, good sign. We're cutting through that. Well, plus EV, I'm just saying what like the generic like what should happen technically, like long term. Not obviously like sometimes they cut rates that the market drops right away, but that has nothing to do with it. Yeah, market open in 7 minutes. I'm on live today, Jacob. I'm gonna do PM session today. I'm gonna do a long PM session, no matter what price does today. I'm gonna try to be on from like 12:30 or 1 to all the way to 4 because tomorrow I won't be able to do it. Tomorrow I have to do something with my family at like midday, so I'm probably gonna have to stream early tomorrow. So hopefully we can find a setup tomorrow. But to make up for it, I'm gonna stream PM all day. I'm gonna get off for like an hour, like 11 probably, and then I'll come back. I'm not going golf or anything today. I'm 100% doing a PM stream today. Big dash soon. Tomorrow I'm gonna have to end stream like at probably 10:15 tomorrow or some shit. I gotta see. I got family plans. Yeah, I'll be watching Italy Spain as well later today. Do I play Valorant at all? No, I don't. I'm going on a cruise the 28th. Is there more in here? No, I'm gonna trade A. I'll be here for AM, just not the whole time. Do I know Decrypt? Yeah, I know Decrypt. Why? What's up? Portugal's not winning the Euros, dude. Bro, Portugal should not have beat Czech. Those are the two most horrible goals I've ever seen. I mean, Portugal's just, I don't know. They're not even. They're like probably the fourth best team. The World Cup's harder. I mean, the Euro doesn't have Brazil, Argentina, or any of those teams. Clearly. Yeah, so me and my friends did a bet. So we picked a pool of teams. We all have 5 or 6 teams each, and like we get points versus how far they make it, and we put money on it. My first pick was Germany at number 3. I skipped. I could have taken. No, I took Germany too. I could have taken England, but I took Germany instead of England. And Germany's doing pretty good, so. Yo, Mark, come up the speaker real quick. Come up the speaker real quick. Yo, you're deafened. Hey, 1 second. I gotta put my headphones. I gotta charge my headphones real quick. All right, talk. Yo. So I'm gonna ask everyone. I'm like, would you guys be okay with a more sharing a screen or whatever when I go on my cruise? So this is a more he knows his IFGs. I feel like, because I don't know if I'm gonna be able to. So, what's your win rate this week, Amore, so far? Oh, you took one loss. Damn, dude. All right, but yeah, more knows his stuff. But so I'll be on a cruise. Like I'll try to come on. So I'm gonna bring my laptop, but like we're literally gonna be on like an island at like 9:30 a.m. So I'm probably gonna be on like a jet ski or something. So I could try streaming from a laptop on a jet ski in the middle of the ocean. Or a more could just go. So all right, that's not bad. Yeah, I mean you don't have to call trades, but you could just point out good setups, obviously. Yeah, yeah. So yeah, I just wanted you guys to hear Moore's voice in case I do have him come up. So yeah, that's fine. No, that's fine. Yeah, as long as you don't like mess around or do anything, like that's fine. Yeah, so Thursday, the day before NFP, I usually just demo trade, but I mean I'm gonna be on a cruise anyways. There's probably not gonna be any point in me coming up. Remember last Thursday before NFP? It was horrible. Remember that? I think the time before, yeah, the time before was fine, but the last time was just horrible. So, yeah. So, all right, here's open. Let's see what happens. Yeah, you're good. All right, see you. Yeah, I just wanted you guys to hear his voice, and just because some people are like, "Who's Amor?" So Amor, he's been one of the longer people, and he's been here for probably longer than most of you. So, yeah. So I'm really looking for us to trade through this. Um, but yeah, it's an hourly fair value gap, so we might not, but we'll see. You know, it's one of those hourly fair value gaps, but like at this point, to me, doesn't this look like an market maker sell model? I mean, we hit all-time highs, so to me, it looks like a sell model to the lows. So a lot of ICT traders are gonna be like, "Oh, we're gonna bounce off this," but I mean, I don't really think we will. For the short I'm in, I'm gonna move my south break even here probably. Again, I'm still targeting these equal lows. And I'm gonna probably sell everything here besides one. When did I enter a short? I said I was gonna get short on eval if the 15-minute close below. So I'm out. I'm mostly out there. So yeah, you guys have heard me say that, right? All right, I'm just making sure I'm not going delusional. So I'm gonna leave one runner just to see what happens, but again, that was pretty high confident for me. You know, I felt like we hit all-time highs. You know, the 15-minute was violated. We had relative equal lows below. Um, you know, I don't think that counts as a data high. It just was not an abnormal wick. Um, so yeah. And I doubt this hits, but I'm gonna try to leave a runner till down here. So we'll see what happens. Here's my executions if you want to see them. I literally just sold and bought there. Why do you think I only mentioned I was gonna get in once when I was like, oh, I'm gonna get in short if this closes below. Why do you think I only mentioned it once? Yeah, kind of a big stop loss, and I mean it wasn't really a proper setup because it was 15-minute. I don't really take the 15-minute, but I didn't want to mention it like 5 minutes after saying, okay, I'm getting it here because you should have understood that okay, this is closed below, I'm in. Like that's all you need to hear. I don't want to say, oh, I'm getting in here when I already said I'm going to get in if it closes below. Because that's not gonna help you. Like you're gonna be like, well, why are you getting in here? So I said if this closes below, I'll get in. And it makes your brain think more, well, okay, this is closes. Now your brain is gonna make that connection. Oh, this is a short setup, you know. So so my eval accounts are my funded accounts OS, but I don't really care about my fundeds too much. Would I take a long now? Yeah, if we got along here, 100%. Like, let me ask you a question. If we got like a giant candle going through this, would you take this? 100%. Like, if we just randomly got this out of nowhere. Again, I'm probably not going to get it, but I'm just saying, like, if we got that randomly. again, I'm still bearish. You know, we're at all-time highs. I want us to dump to here. Okay, that's kind of my bias right now. So I'm just saying, like, if that somehow magically happened, sure. But I honestly don't want us to get along here. I'm not gonna lie. You know, I'm looking for a retrace in the discount here. Uh, I mean, if you draw this hourly leg from this low to this high, uh, I'll love us to go back down to here. You can see we never even retraced the discount in this leg. So I mean, to me, I mean, this just looks like a juicy fair value gap that wants to be rebalanced, which would be nice. Again, like a lot of people ask how I switch bias so easily. Okay, if I, even though I want to be bearish here, if I saw, and again, I don't want to see this. I'm just saying, if this just somehow happened, if I saw a random big candle up here, okay, for the people who struggle with really switching bias, okay, for the people in here bearish, and you're very, and you're obviously bearish because there's a bunch of unbalanced for value gaps below, which I get because I am too. For the people who think it's hard to switch bias, okay, if you saw a big green candle here cutting through this, you should be prepared to switch your bias because that would be a bullish signature in price, sweeping equal lows and getting like a 1 minute through here. So I'm just letting you know for people who do struggle switching bias, if you are bearish right now and you see that, switch your bias. Okay. But again, I'm just being prepared, okay? Because a lot of people say in the Google feedback forums they struggle switching bias. So I just want to let you know, like, this is definitely a time where you should be able to easily switch bias. And we do have these equal highs up here, which, you know, don't really. Oh wait, these aren't equal. Never mind. False alarm. It looked like equal highs. I was gonna say that it wouldn't really. I probably wouldn't note them. Or I probably wouldn't say, "Oh, we're gonna go to them," but I definitely note them. All right. When do these highs in realistically, when do these highs matter? Do they really matter right now? Like, do these matter right now? Why not? Yeah, because there's not really a setup towards them right now. If we get the setup towards them, then yeah, these will matter. But there's not really a setup going towards them right now. So just gonna keep watching this, I guess. So again, if this candle like randomly close above this, this would be great long, and that's when these highs would come into play. So I'd probably use the 1 minute to be honest. I mean, but again, I want this to reject. I hope it rejects. We'll see though. Again, if I'm wrong about this rejecting, does it matter technically? No, because I'm not shorting this, right? This is not my model. I'm not going in shorting a blind fair value gap right here. So whether it rejects or not, it doesn't really matter because it's not an inversion. Did you guys watch my video yesterday? My first video since the boot camp is done. $30-second short. Yeah, if we got like a death candle through this 30-second, that'd be a pretty good short. Because we'd be delivering from here. And if we violated this, I think that'd be a good long. So yeah, 30-second looks good because like this is I think this is obvious. I think this looks very obvious. Um, so what do you mean ES? Yeah, so it looks like ES is gonna give us the long setup first here. So ES just violated it, which is I would say generally bullish speaking. So if NQ violates it, it would likely work to the highs. I'm not using footprints right now. Would it be an SMT as well? Yeah, so it'd be an SMT as well. So I don't know. I would give this an A plus setup, especially this SMT. ES is delivering from an hourly. Um, Again, definitely a loss I would take. So I'm gonna get in here. Looks like we're gonna close above. And yeah, I mean, stop the break even to be here, obviously. So yeah. Did anyone take ES there? Yeah, the ES, that was fire. So that was, I mean, just on ES, that's just a great move. I mean, that's as clean as it gets right there. So again, for anyone like why I don't take ES there, I mean, I just try to stick to NQ, but ES did look pretty clean there in my opinion. So ES equal highs there. Just got taken out. Okay, I'm gonna scale some here in NQ. I'm just gonna keep holding some. And I'm ideally targeting this high right here. Okay, so I'm gonna this high right here, and then I don't know if there's any equal highs or anything, but let's see. If there's any equal highs, let me know. I don't really see any good ones. I really don't know where to hold till here. I'm just gonna keep holding. Right here, maybe. All right. Yeah. I guess I'll try to hold till 3:30. So I'm out most, obviously. Again, if you haven't realized that, I'm out most here, obviously. But I guess I'm gonna try to hold till 3:30. I'll try a runner. We'll see if it hits. But again, I'm obviously out most here. I probably should have been more prepared there. I really like getting into that play. I mean, yeah, there's highs here, but you kind of want further. So, damn, ES is beautiful here. ES played out. I think ES was better here, but so your stop loss at break even should be here. And again, you should be mostly scaled. Okay, like you should not. You should be detached from this trade. Yeah, that was an A+ setup, I think, more because like the SMT ES was delivering from another place. I mean, ES did just leave equal highs here, so good sign that we're going to continue further up. I don't know if it's going to stop us out of break even or not before, but it's fine if it does. You can see we're rejecting this little tiny speed bump here. So do you see how I said, I go, okay, if we randomly inverse this, I said, I'm like, for the people who struggle with switching bias, please switch your bias here. See how I could already predetermine that if it happened, right? It wasn't in the moment I switched my bias. I was already planning on switching my bias if it inversed, right? Cause I already kind of pre-planned, like, okay, if we inverse this, I'm going to switch my bias and be bullish and I'll take it, so. Yeah, next target would be 270. So it'd be almost 25 points. Why 270? Why this high? Yeah, I took this 60. Yeah, it's an intermediate term high. It's a high inside of a fair value gap here. So that would be it. Now, look at this. Very, very obvious 30-second that keeps rejecting us here. Um, from a bullish perspective, obviously not a good good sign, but it's I mean again, it's already winning trade. It was already a pretty good trade, so you should be scaled most anyways. If this 30-second broke, I think we'd have a lot more upside. Something like here, see how these equal highs just hit, and ES is very bullish and NQ's still not going up. I mean, that's just generally a good sign. I think if we broke this 30-second though, I think it'd be a different story. But you kind of see ES hit those equal highs, NQ's just stalling. That's why I think. Yeah, I think ES was the better play in this one. So if you took ES, I think you made it out the mud a little more if you took ES on this one. I mean, they both look good, but Okay, runner will probably be stopped to break even here, which is at this black line. I mean, you could get lucky, but I doubt it. Okay, maybe not. All right, just stop me out already, please. All right, there we go. So, runner was stopped to break even, but again, it was overall pretty good play anyway, so I don't really care. So yeah, hopefully you understood the logic behind that. I kind of explained it ahead of time. So, I mean, just a pretty good play in general. Now let's see if the break even saves us here. That's the next question. Hopefully it does. So far, I would say it's saving us, but we'll see. The 1 minute short. Uh, I mean, yeah, if you wanted to take out it, I would. I wasn't really paying attention. All right, you know we have to do an Instagram video. Yeah, ES looks more bullish than NQ right now. All right, we took the most obvious inversion setup of the century, right? Just A plus, super obvious. How many people took that type one? Bang, baby. Easy money. The runner was thought to break even, but that's okay. Look at my tweet. That's such a good tweet. 1 minute long. Nah, I don't like it because to me we would be going for a high that technically doesn't need to be taken. I don't really like how this 30-second rejected that much. Um, and we kind of swept a decent amount of LRLR here, so you're kind of just going for a high that doesn't really need to be taken. Now, yes. Dude, everyone's asking me about plays. I don't really want to take another play. I don't know, man. Like you're saying, what about the 3 minute short? Like, I don't know what to say. Like, I think the 2 minute long looks the best here. I don't like the 2 minute short because a 2 minute short is just, I mean, we're still technically holding this inversion. I think the 2 minute long would be your best bet. Did anyone not take that long? I'm curious. Okay. So Chris or Walders and Pips, like, why didn't you take that long? Just wondering. You came to the stream a few minutes late. You just watched. Yeah, Naz, I know, I know. I mean, if you took the short, that was a good short too. It just depends on your circumstance. This is where it all comes down to, like, circumstance. Uh, I could try to make a Kahoot. I don't know. I won't be able to do a Kahoot tomorrow. Maybe like next week. I'll do one for next week. When there's a cruise, it starts. I go the 28th. God, there's a lot of questions. If the 5-minute PPR fails, yeah, AM, I would agree with that. I mean, low key, I'd like this to happen, but I don't know. That's what I would like to happen. Caribbean cruise? No, we're leaving from New Jersey, so I don't even know where the hell we're going. I've usually left from Florida, so I don't know. Yeah, Roberto, you can do that. I mean, they don't know where your stop loss is. You lost money as you made it? Why? What do you do? Rate this 5-minute inversion? Trash. I mean, we just swept these equal lows. I don't know. I just don't like it. You went long in that setup? Rip. So did the break even save us for the runner? Yes, it did. Watching a 6'1" 8-year-old. That's too funny. I think we're done for AM. I don't know. I think I'm done, but we'll see. I don't really know what to say now. Tanya shorted ES 2 times. What you like today? Damn. Yeah, I don't know. I want to be short bias too, but ain't no way I'm shorting with an SMT and we're delivering off of this and we're at all time highs. I mean, it's just I was gonna long that every day of the week. Sí, está un bueno día. Come on, bro. What? Why come on, bro? John Patrick. Kien. Damn, I forgot what's. Kien ganas. Kien ganas el euros. Or los euros. Is that right? Did I say that right? Quien gana la euro? Euro. Why wouldn't it be ganas? Isn't ganas do you want or who do you want to win? Yeah, so I'm putting ganas as a question. Ganar is to win. Oh. Canva. Oh, that's who is going to win the Euro, right? Canva Aganar, who is going to win the Euro? Because VAR is to go. Who is going to VAR, right? Uh, I generally kind of like it was LRLR. I thought the bias is bearish, so that's kind of why I guess bias bearish LRLR. It was all ran. Also, there's another bearish SMT at the top. So, Cam by see, I don't know what that means. Got I can tell how it's similar to Spanish. Hydra is short. What is Hydra being short? Tell me. What does it have to do with anything? Okay, let me take a short here. Where's he short from? Like, what do you want me to do? Ugh. He's short of the OB. Oh yeah, I see. Yeah, bet short. Mm-mm-mm. More Spanish lessons. How many people took that? See that? Like I said earlier, I'm like this would be a good short if we got it. I mean, it looked good. Um, it's even better now because we kind of bounced off of it, and then we got kind of like I think this is a death candle. It's a death candle violating this BPR and this free value to left at the same time. So this play definitely would have worked. Well, I like the bullish 2 minute, but did it matter that did it matter? No, because we never inversed it, so it doesn't really matter. I didn't like this 2 minute short, really. I don't know. I didn't like that. I like the 30 second. I think what I like better because by then we would have re-violated all this shit. And to me, I would have been more bearish. So Sorry, I'm just like out of it now. I tend to lose focus after I mean, that was a nice play, so. Could I have shorted this? Yeah, sure. If I was bullish, why'd I put that I was 1 for 1? Yeah, I'm 0 for 1 today. Easy made it. Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm 0 for 1 today. I didn't mean to make you guys lose. Yeah, I'm not sure you're asking. So why do you think I'm 0 for 1 today? What did I say that made me go for 1? I'm just wondering. You said you were in the long and got stopped out, I thought. No. I took the long and I said I was scaling most and I said I was leaving a runner and then my runner stopped the break even. I mean, you can see my executions here. Look. So I longed when I said, I sold when I said, and I got stopped out a runner. So it's not a loss. That's how I teach on my YouTube. And that's how I teach on live stream every day. Does that make sense? And that's how I taught for the last 2 years. But I guess I'm 0 for 1. I'm sorry. Eh, well, I did go a little heavier than that. I'm not going to lie, Mr. Sendrix. But yeah, we could say I'm 0.66 RR. I don't know. The momentum was really good in that. So I went a little. Normally I'd risk 4 or 5 contracts there. I went 7. So, I mean, is what it is. Definitely day. Good luck. Again, I don't really know what to say. Again, I still think we're bearish. I still think we're probably gonna go hit this low, but yeah. So John Patrick, the Spanish dude, here's his executions. Boom, baby. Perfect. Keep dumping. See how that 15-minute was like, I said, I'm like, this 15 minutes going to be the condition for the day. You know, and look how well that 15-minute just brings us down. That's why I wanted to be bearish at first. But did we still go to textbook long setup? Yes. What was that textbook long setup? It was technically an order block, right? That long setup created a bearish order block, which contributes to me dumping what I wanted to happen initially. So was I kind of right? Was I right both sides today? Like, oh, here's a long setup, I'm gonna take it, but I'm still kind of bearish. Does it make sense how like I was like, it's like both things can work. Um, Yeah, tattoo. Yeah. I would honestly try a full port short here and just cover at these lows. I mean, we really shouldn't stop here. I'm being sarcastic. So yeah, man, I would try a full port short here, and yeah, just full port cover here. So good luck, man. Hopefully it works. Yeah, no problem, man. Mm. Come on, give us death candle here. Death candle, please. Okay, okay, pretty good start. Now I just need a death candle through here. So there's a low. Nice little 13-point move there. Uh-oh. Carlito, are you on paper or what do you want right now? Well, well, yeah. You'll understand my sarcasm more the better you get at trading, I think. Okay. Pretty good so far. We just need what, 5 more points? It should hit. Let's see. A little more. Right. Don't cover yet. Actually, if you pass your account, you probably could, but. And boom, baby. There it is. So, was I being sarcastic? Yes. Have I full ported that in the past? Yes, I have. Yeah, I don't know. But we're not going to talk about that. So, a nice little short there. Easy made it. Did he take that? Nice, Gabriel. One minute long now. Technically speaking, yes, but uh, don't gamble your life away. That's what I'm gonna say. Yeah, I like the signature and price too. Can I get off now? Actually, no, not yet. I made a psychology PDF. Who would be interested in that? It's kind of like a problem and solution. It kind of talks about my problem with holding wins. So I kind of talk about you can kind of see it here. Don't screenshot or anything, but uh it's like I talk about like how I used to lose, and then when I actually found a good strategy, I couldn't hold trades. Because I'd be scared of losing still. So it kind of goes over that. So I'll probably upload this maybe tomorrow. Dude, this looks so good. I don't want to overtrade. This is a 1 minute long right here. Fuck it. I'll enter with some profits. How about that? This is probably dumb, but whatever. All right. I'm not going to mess around with this. If we hit like here, I'm moving south to break even. And this would be 10 points already, so. All right. If we like kind of blast through these equal highs, low key, I'm probably going to scale. Okay. I'm going to scale some there. And then I'll just hold a runner till up here. 2170. I don't know. That was a good signature and price. I'm not gonna lie. So I guess I'm 2 for 2 now. I really wasn't planning on taking another play, but whatever. Is equal highs? No, they're not. $21.70 I want right here. Good night, TV swap. I don't know. I feel like I'm over trading right now. I don't know. But it's whatever. Low key, I do not want to do a PM stream anymore, but I already said I will, so. I just liked that V. It was kind of like V-shapey. It was singular for real. I got broke momentum. I mean, it's just from like with my eyes. I liked it. So my other half was obviously south break even there. But yeah, I just liked it because you know the signature and price if you've seen it before. I think we've all seen that before, right? I don't know. It just looked good. I still think this holds probably, but see if we get this 30-second. This 30-second wouldn't be bad either. Okay, I'm gonna get in here again. 30-second. This should work. Okay, I'm gonna take off some of these equal highs. Okay, I'm taking some off those equals highs. I'm gonna hold more till here now. Holy fuck, I'm good at this. Sorry. I probably shouldn't have said that. I'm gonna hold one runner too, just to see. In my opinion, this is the #1 day trade. This is such good RR. Like, look at this RR, bro. Yeah, that's almost a 2R play right there. If this hits, which would be probably 1.5. Let's see. No, please don't retrace. That's annoying. I mean, this should hit. The only reason I scaled it to equal highs because they're equal highs. I'm not going to scale it there. I know it wasn't 10 points, but it's equal highs. It's like a guaranteed win, so. Okay, a little more. Equal highs up here now. And I am. I don't know that yet. No way that doesn't hit, bro. No way. Wow. You're out? Okay. All right, it's a difference in 4 points, but I didn't get filled, so I'm going to hold. Okay, there we go. Now I'm all out. I'm just going to hold one runner just to see what happens, but I'm all out there. So now I'm 3 for 3. Damn, dude. I'm on fire today. I almost ended that stream too. Yeah, my strategy's on fire. It's not me. It's just my strategy. It's not really me. You guys got to realize that. I'm trying to. So, where do you think is a good spot to hold a runner to? How come I didn't take that? I don't know. I just didn't. Dude, I don't know. This PM session will be pointless now. Where should I hold a runner to? 9:30 open? Yeah. I could. I was just gonna say the 50%. Like maybe the 5 minute, like 20,191. I don't know. I probably will just hold a runner till here. I don't think I'm gonna hold one past it. Dude, what a setup, bro. No, I'm not pyramiding. Please hit. And let's see. Not out yet. God damn it. I don't know, but I'd probably give that like an A setup, Nick. I mean, I would give it an A plus if it was a little higher, I think. I'm using this dealing range from the 945 high. Ugh, is this gonna hit? There's the question. Not looking good, folks. Not looking good, folks. Yes at the 50. Damn. It's all right. All right. Yeah, it's probably gonna get stopped. I'm just gonna bail here. I don't even care. It's probably gonna get stopped anyway. So, that is that. Unlucky, but it's whatever. That's it's now. I'll be mad, but whatever. Nah, I wouldn't short this low. Hell no. Did I just sell at the bottom? That would not be funny. Uh, well, the 4 hour was, but we just hit 4 hour sell side, so now it's not. The 4 hour looked like a sell model to me. God damn it. I'm an idiot. Oh well. I think it was with London lows. It was with ES. I know that. I think it was one of those. Yeah, but what lows he's asking? 069. Well, I'm still posting this to Twitter anyways if it hits. Dude, why? I really thought I was gonna get stopped out there for the runner, but whatever. Whatever. Nothing I can do now about it. Marcus just manipulating me. Rip. Well, I just got manipulated out of my position because I'm an idiot. So, really instant reaction at that. Look at the instant reaction. No, I re-entered. So I took 2 entries here. I entered the first time and then I re-entered the. Wait a minute. I took a 15-second setup. What? I didn't even know that. I thought this was a 30-second entry. Yo, did any of you realize that? Oops. I didn't even know that. Yeah, I saw I re-long that. I'm like, damn. I'm up like 50 or 60 points today now. Bro, this has to be the best price action we've ever gotten in the last 2 weeks, right? Would you guys agree? Like, just, wow. Wow. Speechless. Speechless. Yeah. What a time to be alive. Mr. Centrex. Just don't ask. Is Easy Made It still in here? You missed 2 more bangers. Yo, low key, I'm being too much of a signal service today. I'm sorry. All right, everyone, fill out that form, please. I like to use it during New York only, but